Tau is a shared charging infrastructure. We're currently in Tau management system for charging station operators. Here you can see the dashboard with charging history and statistics, where you can see the consumption live, or you can export statistics for the selected time period. You can go to the locations list and see your locations, the locations which you own. At your location you can see the stations that there are presented, their statuses. You can see photos of location, services which are provided at location, the feedback about this location. The process of adding a station is very straightforward. You can find a station model which you own in a list, or you can create a new station model using our constructor. Alright, let me demonstrate how the process of adding a station goes. So you select the model, you press select model, you confirm this is the ID of the station. Next you will see the instruction how to connect the station to the Tau backend. And you basically just copy the URL and put it in the web interface of your charging station and press OK. After that, your charging station will be connected to Tau backend, and you will see connectors as available. You can navigate to the map where you will see all the charging locations that there are in the network. You can press on the marker to see the full information about the location. The platform is free for use. You can share the charging station with your neighbors, locals, coworkers, or anyone, like just basically publicly. If you want to monetize your charging station, if you want to sell the electricity, there is an option to purchase a monthly subscription, which is available in settings. You should go to payments, and there will be an option to upgrade to Pro if you haven't already. And yeah, after that you just configure which stations you want to monetize, and you will see the corresponding icon being green and telling you that the station is monetized. This was a short demo of Tau management system. We also have a mobile app for drivers. It is already available at Google Play and App Store. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye!